guys, Sniffles and Tick McGee here. We're here at Manassas Shelter, stopping for an early lunch. Put together a nice video. A video of me and Brandon's trip last week in the Shenandoahs. For those of you who do not know, I skipped North Carolina since I lived there and I've done a lot of parts of it. I'm going to go back later and finish it, but I decided that we should hike somewhere pretty, and then I'm just going to hike up from here. So enjoy our weirdness because it gets a little weird. Saxophone.
Sorry.
This is literally what we do in the car on road trips all the time.
That's not it. Alright.
Packing up in the hotel room. Where are we headed?
Shenandoah.
You ready to go? Made it to Shenandoah.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm good.
Oh,
Muscles still great. Bones are still strong.
He drank a lot of his milk before we left.
Right.
I'm gonna interview Brandon. Do-rag do. So he's out here for 8 days with me in Shenandoah. I kinda wanna know how you feel.
North Carolina.
How do you feel right now?
I feel good. You know, I'm a little drained, you know what I'm saying? The hike was like, oh my God,
You know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, so how are you feeling? It's day...
You walk like 13 miles with Jones
It's day 2? Wait, what day is it? How was day 1? How was day 1 for you?
Oh, day 1 was a breeze.
We did a lot of extra miles, but that's okay.
We ain't gonna talk about it.
But we ain't gonna talk about it.
Hey, was rough. I'm out of shape, so like, before that restaurant, my feet were screaming.
Wayside. We went to Wayside. I didn't got the blackberry milkshake, which everybody recommended, and that's freaking incredible. That was so good, guys.
Yeah.
Good recommendation. Does this make you want to do the trail? Like, are you gonna do the through? Are you gonna do the through, bruh?
Yeah, I'm down. Right now, yeah. Tomorrow, I don't know. Ask me tomorrow.
Every day is different.
Yeah.
Literally.
I mean, it's been awesome. Like, but I feel like I've gotten pampered a lot.
We have gotten very pampered on this trail. So, like, we've gotten very pampered.
The rain is really gonna test me, I think.
Yeah.
So, Sarah, how are you feeling? Does this make
Well,
you want to do the whole trail?
Well, Brandon.
All right.
I'm feeling really good now.
Back to you, Sniffles.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. When I got out of 10, I was like in the bathroom. I was like, I think I need to cut off my left foot. But now I don't think I need to amputate, so I think we're good yet.
See, the thing was, I felt like mine were already cut off.
When you're in Shenandoah, you just go ahead and spoil yourself with some delicious food and coffee. How's it looking? Amazing. Amazing. So, I think we're gonna stop at the next town. There's soft serve ice cream.
They have soft serve ice cream?
They actually do, yeah.
Let's go!
Hi.